Hi everyone, and welcome back to Ride Waves USA. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Honda NC750X, a touring bike that seamlessly blends performance, comfort, and sustainability. Whether you're commuting through city streets or embarking on cross-country adventures, this motorcycle is designed to meet your needs. Let's start with the heart of the NC750X, its 745cc liquid-cooled, parallel twin engine. This power plant delivers a peak output of 43.1 kilowatts, approximately 58 horsepower, at 6,750 revolutions per minute and a maximum torque of 69 Nm at 4,750 revolutions per minute. These figures translate to a responsive and smooth ride, whether you're navigating urban traffic or cruising on the open road. The engine's design emphasizes low to mid-range performance, making it ideal for a variety of riding conditions. Fuel efficiency is another standout feature. With a 14.1-liter fuel tank and a consumption rate of approximately 3.5 liters per 100 kilometers, the NC750X offers a remarkable range of nearly 400 kilometers on a single tank. This efficiency not only reduces the frequency of fuel stops but also contributes to lower emissions, aligning with Honda's commitment to sustainability. Speaking of sustainability, the 2025 model incorporates Durabio, a bio-based polycarbonate resin, into various components such as fairings and the windscreen. This material, derived from renewable sources, enhances the bike's environmental credentials without compromising durability or aesthetics. The use of colored Durabio in the earth khaki and earth black color options marks a world-first application in motorcycle manufacturing. The NC750X's chassis has been refined for improved handling and comfort. It features a diamond steel pipe frame, 41 mm show dual bending valve telescopic front forks, and a ProLink rear monoshock. These components work together to provide a balanced and responsive ride, absorbing road imperfections and ensuring stability across various terrains. The bike's low center of gravity and upright riding position further enhance maneuverability and rider confidence. Braking performance has seen a significant upgrade. The 2025 model replaces the previous single front disc with dual 296 mm floating discs, operated by axial-mounted twin-piston calipers. This setup offers improved stopping power and better heat dissipation, crucial for both city commuting and long-distance touring. The rear brake consists of a 240 mm single disc with a single piston caliper, and the entire braking system is supported by dual-channel ABS for enhanced safety. In terms of electronics, the NC750X is equipped with a new 5-inch full-color TFT display. This screen offers 3 customizable layouts of bar, circle, and simply and provides clear visibility even in bright sunlight, thanks to optical bonding technology. The display integrates with Honda's RoadSync app, allowing for smartphone connectivity. Through this system, riders can access turn-by-turn navigation, make calls, listen to music, and receive weather updates, all controlled via a backlit 4-way toggle switch on the left handlebar. Riding modes are another area where the NC750X shines. The throttle-by-wire system offers 3 default modes: Standard, Sport, and Rain, each tailored to specific riding conditions. Additionally, 2 customizable user modes allow riders to fine-tune parameters such as power delivery, engine braking, and traction control to suit their preferences. Storage solutions are thoughtfully integrated into the bike's design. The traditional fuel tank location houses a 23-liter storage compartment, capable of accommodating an adventure-style helmet. Optional accessories include a USB-C port and a compartment divider, enhancing practicality for daily use and travel. For those looking to personalize their NC750X, Honda offers several accessory packs. Adventure Pack includes fog lights, side pipes, and knuckle guards for enhanced protection and visibility. Comfort Pack features a high screen, foot deflector set, heated grips, and a comfort seat to improve long-distance riding comfort. Travel Pack adds panniers with inner bags, pannier support stays, aluminum panels, and a USB charger, increasing carrying capacity for extended trips. Urban Pack comprises a rear carrier, 50-liter top box with inner bag, aluminum top box panel, and a rubber mounting pad, ideal for city commuting. Color options for the 2025 NC750X include earth khaki with graphite black trim, earth black with matte beta silver metallic trim, matte pearl glare white with graphite black trim, and fighting red with graphite black trim. Each color scheme is designed to reflect the bike's adventurous spirit and modern aesthetics. As for pricing, the 2025 Honda NC750X's official MSRP for the US market has not been announced at this time. However, considering the 2024 model's base price of $9,499, it's reasonable to anticipate a similar price range for the new model. In conclusion, the 2025 Honda NC750X stands out as a versatile and forward-thinking touring motorcycle. Its blend of efficient performance, rider-focused technology, and sustainable materials make it a compelling choice for a wide range of riders. Whether you're navigating urban environments or exploring open roads, the NC750X is equipped to deliver a reliable and enjoyable riding experience. Thank you for joining us on this overview of the 2025 Honda NC750X. If you have any questions or would like to share your thoughts, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Until next time, ride safe and keep exploring. ChatGPT can make mistakes. Check important info.